Hi guys, so here, listen, this is how I want you to use what I call the flashcards, right? And why are they flashcards? It is because you could use them actually two ways, right? Now, you could either just look at them one by one, turn the music off just to get the keywords, right? Now, in the above sections, we've gone through all the cards, explained them and whatnot, more information there. But this is more for either quickly assimilating the keywords for them, turn the music off. If you want to use them as a meditation, which I do recommend, then there is a 5-minute music meditation for you. Then just go in, pick randomly whatever card you're feeling attracted to today, and turn it on, have the music, and walk into the landscape of the picture. All right, this will allow you to assimilate your own inner information. As you do so, the music will help you program into your subconsciousness these keywords. Okay, so you could use them both ways, and sometimes you might choose to do this, other times you might choose to do it another way. It's not really intended to take them back to back with the music. That can be a whole lot, but that's up to you. Choose one or two. You could do this in the morning before you go to work, and then allow that card, this energy from this particular one, to be in the focus of your mind, where your attention is out in the world, and see how many times you can reflect and recognize it happening around you or even within you. So enjoy the flashcards, the keywords, the meditations. This is just an extra additional on top of what you've learned up above on the other sections.